Hey guys, Chlorine King here. Time for another vlog. But before we get to it, check out this sweet Pentair hat. It's camo, Pentair. It's great. So anyways, today's topic is know your worth. I've been losing estimates. You know, I lose estimates all the time because I know I'm a higher price company. But a lot of times, it's by $40, $50, $60. And I just sit there and when they tell me what other companies are charging, I'm just like, how are they making money? You know, to play off of my $60 a month pool service video, it's just, I don't understand it. You know, you're doing those rates, that's great, you're getting accounts, but you're literally spinning your wheels. Then you got to do 1,000 pools a month or a week just to do any type of business and make money. So know your worth, create a good value for yourself so you're getting paid well for your time. You know, we're a specialty service just like any plumber or electrician is, and they charge $125, $150 for service calls all day long. But yet, the pool world, you have a hard time charging $100. That's what I charge. And, you know, people don't want to pay for their pool. They don't put it in the same light as an electrician or plumber, even though we're providing the same type of specialty service based off our knowledge and expertise. So I just ask all you guys to start really charging a better rate, not just to make more money, but to have the perception of our industry change as far as us being viewed as a professional service and not just, you know, a random one-poler that, you know, doesn't have any type of clout, in the area, you know. Don't race to the bottom anymore. Create a nice value for yourself, you know, create that worth, that value, the self-worth, and get that service done good, and eventually we'll start being able to charge those specialty rates like the plumbers and electricians do, because, you know, when you think about it, we have a lot of responsibility for our typical monthly service accounts. You know, we're constantly surveying the equipment, making sure, you know, their pool is healthy and safe and all that. And for $120 a month, $130 a month, or even what other people charge, $60 or $80 a month, that's a lot of responsibility for very little money. But the problem is, you get all these companies that are racing the bottom of the barrel, charging so little. The companies get groomed to that and expect every company to charge that. And I know I'm sort of repeating that other video, but it plays directly in correlation with this create value for yourself. So that's basically all I have to say about that. And, you know, I hope, as always, you guys like and subscribe and comment and all that good stuff. And stay tuned for more videos. So have a great day, everyone, and I'll talk to you guys soon.